Stop. Before you drop $60,000 on a brand new SUV that's going to depreciate 30% the moment you drive it off the lot, listen to this. It's 2026, and you don't need a massive car loan to get a luxury bulletproof ride. In fact, some of the best SUVs ever built can be found right now for under $20,000. Today, we're cutting through the marketing hype and showing you the 5 most reliable SUVs that mechanics actually trust. These are the engines that hit 300,000 miles, the transmissions that never slip, and the builds that feel more solid than anything coming off the assembly line today. We're kicking things off with the SUV that practically defined the luxury crossover segment, the third-generation Lexus RX 350. If you ask any mechanic which used SUV, they'd buy with their own money under $20,000. This is usually at the top of the list. By 2026, the car market has become flooded with complicated hybrids and fragile 4-cylinder turbos. But the RX 350 remains a fortress of reliability. The primary reason this car is so highly recommended is the heart of the machine, the 3.5-liter 2GR FEV6 engine. This is widely considered one of the most reliable internal combustion engines ever produced. It's a naturally aspirated engine, meaning there are no expensive turbochargers to fail or intercoolers to leak. It's a simple, robust design that produces 275 horsepower, plenty of power for daily driving, while staying incredibly smooth. In a world where modern engines feel stressed and buzzy, the RX 350 V6 feels effortless, even after it crosses the 150,000-mile mark. But it's not just about the engine. The 6-speed automatic transmission in these specific model years is legendary for its durability. Unlike some of the newer 8 or 10-speed transmissions that are constantly hunting for gears to save a tiny bit of fuel, this 6-speed is tuned for longevity and smoothness. It's a set-it-and-forget-it transmission. Mechanics love it because it doesn't have the complex electronic issues that plague newer luxury SUVs. When you buy an RX 350 from this era, you're buying a car that was engineered to a standard, not to a price point. From a 2026 perspective, the interior of the RX 350 still holds up remarkably well. Lexus used high-quality materials that don't just look good when new, they stay good. The leather is thick and resistant to cracking, the buttons still have a tactile premium feel, and the insulation is so good that you'll barely hear the road. Even after 10 or 12 years of family use, a well-maintained RX 350 won't have the rattles and squeaks that you'd find in a newer, cheaper SUV. It's built to be a quiet sanctuary. When shopping for one of these under $20,000, you want to focus on the 2010 to 2013 models. Specifically, the 2013 facelift brought some nice styling updates, but mechanically, they are all very similar. The main things for you to look at in the service history are basic maintenance items, oil changes, and coolant flushes. If the previous owner took care of the basics, this SUV is more than happy to reward you with another decade of service. Mechanics often tell their clients that the RX 350 is boring to work on because they never get to do any major detective work. It's always just routine maintenance. In the world of used cars, boring is exactly what you want for your bank account. It's a luxury SUV that gives you all the status and comfort without the high-end repair anxiety. If you want the safest bet in the SUV market for under $20,000, the Lexus RX 350 is your winner. Next up is a vehicle that needs no introduction, the 4th-generation Toyota RAV4. Specifically, the 2013 to 2016 models. If you're looking for a reliable SUV under $20,000 in 2026, this is arguably the most practical choice on the entire list. Mechanics love the RAV4 for one simple reason. It is built like a tool. It's not trying to be a spaceship or a high-performance sports car. It's designed to get you from point A to point B for 20 years without a single complaint. The magic of this generation lies in its powertrain. Under the hood, you'll find the 2.5-liter 2ARFE 4-cylinder engine. In the mechanic community, this engine is a legend. It doesn't have a turbocharger, it doesn't have complicated direct injection systems that cause carbon buildup, and it doesn't have a fragile timing belt. It uses a heavy-duty timing chain and a traditional fuel injection system that is incredibly easy to maintain. It's the kind of engine that can easily handle the abuse of a daily commute, school runs, and long road trips while asking for nothing more than a basic oil change every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. One of the biggest reasons mechanics recommend this specific RAV4 over its competitors is the transmission. While many other manufacturers in this era switched to CVTs, continuously variable transmissions, to chase better fuel economy, often at the cost of durability, Toyota stuck with a tried-and-true 6-speed automatic transmission for the RAV4. It's robust, it shifts predictably, and it doesn't have the rubber band feel or the high failure rates of early CVTs. It's a powertrain combination that mechanics describe as unbreakable. From a daily use perspective, the 2013 to 2016 RAV4 is a masterclass in ergonomics. The interior is spacious, the rear seats fold almost completely flat, and it features one of the largest cargo areas in its class. In 2026, many modern SUVs have massive screens that control everything, which can be a nightmare when they fail. The RAV4, however, uses physical buttons and knobs for the climate control and radio. It's tactile, it's intuitive, and most importantly, it's durable. It's built for real life, not just for a showroom floor. When you're looking to buy one of these for under $20,000, you're in a great position. Because Toyota sold millions of these, the used market is healthy. You can easily find a well-maintained model with reasonable mileage that still feels tight and responsive. Mechanics will tell you that the only things you really need to check are the basics: the water pump and the spark plugs. Beyond that, these cars are famous for going 200,000 or 250,000 miles with zero major mechanical failures. The 2013 to 2016 RAV4 is the safe harbor of the used SUV market. It's the car you buy when you're tired of spending your weekends at the repair shop and your Mondays worrying about a check engine light. It's simple, it's honest, and it's one of the few vehicles in the world that will likely outlive the person who buys it today. If you want a daily driver that is as reliable as a hammer, the RAV4 is your best friend. If you want a vehicle that is essentially the Swiss Army knife of the automotive world, look no further than the 4th-generation Honda CR-V, specifically the 2012 to 2014 models. Mechanics love these years because they represent the final evolution of Honda's simple and reliable philosophy before things started getting a bit more complicated with turbos and CVTs. The centerpiece of this SUV is the 2.4-liter K24i VTEC engine. If you ask any enthusiast about the K series, they'll tell you it's one of the most reliable 4-cylinder engines ever built by human hands. It's famous for its high revving durability and its nearly indestructible nature. It doesn't have a turbo, which means there's less heat under the hood and fewer parts to fail. More importantly, it uses a timing chain instead of a belt, saving you a massive maintenance bill down the road. It's the kind of engine that mechanics see in their shops with 250,000 miles on the clock, still running perfectly smooth. What makes the 2012 to 2014 models the sweet spot is the transmission. This was the last of the CR-Vs to use a traditional 5-speed automatic gearbox. While the later models moved to a CVT for slightly better gas mileage, many mechanics prefer this older 5-speed because it is built like a tank. It handles stop-and-go traffic and highway cruising with ease, and it doesn't have the reliability question marks that early CVTs often face. It's a powertrain that provides total peace of mind for anyone shopping in the sub-$20,000 market in 2026. But the CR-V isn't just a great engine, it's a master of space. Honda is famous for man maximum, machine minimum design, and it shows here. The low-load floor makes it incredibly easy to throw groceries, sports gear, or camping equipment in the back. The one-motion folding rear seats are a stroke of genius. Pull a lever, and the seats fold themselves flat. It's these small details that make the CR-V so much easier to live with on a daily basis than its competitors. When you're out there searching for one, these cars are incredibly easy to inspect. Mechanics recommend checking for regular oil changes, since the VTEC system relies on oil pressure, and ensuring the differential fluid has been changed if it's an all-wheel drive model. That's pretty much it. There are no hidden nightmare repairs waiting for you around the corner. The 2012 to 2014 Honda CR-V is for the buyer who wants a car that just works. It doesn't demand your attention, it doesn't need expensive specialized service, and it doesn't break the bank at the pump. It's the ultimate no-nonsense SUV. If you find one with a clean service history, it's not just a used car. It's a reliable partner that will likely stay in your family for another decade. It's the definition of a smart buy under $20,000. Now, for those of you who need a little more room, maybe you have a large family or you just need that extra cargo capacity, we have the second-generation Toyota Highlander. Specifically, the facelifted models from 2010 to 2013. Mechanics often call this the poor man's Lexus because underneath its rugged Toyota skin, it's practically identical to the ultra-reliable Lexus RX we started this list with. What makes this Highlander a legendary pick under $20,000 is the 3.5-liter 2GRFE V6 engine. We keep mentioning this engine because, quite frankly, it's one of the best things Toyota ever built. In the Highlander, it's tuned to be a workhorse. It offers a smooth 270 horsepower and can tow up to 5,000 pounds. While other mid-size SUVs from this era were struggling with turbo failures or overheating issues, the Highlander was just quietly racking up hundreds of thousands of miles. Mechanics recommend this car because the engine bay is well-designed and easy to work on. Though truth be told, they rarely see these in the shop for anything other than routine maintenance. The transmission is another high point. Toyota used a heavy-duty 5-speed automatic in these years that is famous for its longevity. It's not the most advanced gearbox in the world, and it won't give you record-breaking fuel economy, but it will never leave you stranded. By 2026, many newer SUVs are facing expensive electronic transmission failures, but this Highlander uses mechanical components that were built to last for decades. It's the kind of reliability that gives you confidence when you're taking the family on a long road trip. Inside, the Highlander is all about versatility. This was the era where Toyota perfected the center stow second row seat, which allows you to convert the middle row from a bench to 2 captain's chairs in seconds. It's a 3-row SUV that actually feels manageable to drive in the city. The build quality is classic Toyota. Lots of high-quality durable plastics that don't rattle and seats that hold their shape even after years of use. In 2026, finding a car that doesn't creak when you hit a pothole is a luxury in itself, and the Highlander delivers that. When shopping for a Highlander under $20,000, you're looking for the sweet spot of value and longevity. Mechanics advise checking the service records for the VVTi oil line replacement, a common early issue that most owners have already fixed by now. If that's done, you're looking at an SUV that can easily double its current mileage. The 2010 to 2013 Toyota Highlander is the ultimate peace-of-mind vehicle for families. It's not flashy, it's not trying to impress your neighbors with gimmicks, but it is one of the most mechanically sound structures ever put on 4 wheels. If you want a 3-row SUV that won't bankrupt you at the mechanics shop, this is the gold standard. For our final spot, we have a car that proves you don't have to drive a boring-looking box to get incredible reliability. We're talking about the first-generation Mazda CX-5, specifically the 2013 to 2015 models. This was the car that introduced the world to Mazda's SkyActiv technology. And while new technology usually makes mechanics nervous, this was the exception that proved the rule. In 2026, these Mazdas have earned a reputation for being just as dependable as a Toyota, but way more fun to drive. So why do mechanics give this a thumbs up? Because Mazda did something very brave. While every other brand was rushing to put small, fragile turbochargers on their engines, Mazda stuck with a larger, naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine. This engine uses a very high compression ratio to get great fuel economy and power without the added heat and complexity of a turbo. It's a masterpiece of engineering. Mechanics love it because it's a clean engine. The layout is simple, the parts are high quality, and it doesn't suffer from the expensive oil leaks that plague its European rivals. The transmission is another win. Instead of using a CVT like many other compact SUVs in this price range, Mazda developed their own 6-speed automatic. It's snappy, it's responsive, and most importantly, it's built to last. It gives you a connected feeling to the road that you just won't find in a RAV4 or a CR-V. If you actually enjoy driving but you're on a sub-$20,000 budget, this is the SUV that will keep a smile on your face without a check engine light ruining your day. From a design and safety perspective, the 2013 to 2015 CX-5 was way ahead of its time. The interior feels more premium than its price tag suggests, with great seat support and a dashboard that feels solid and rattle-free even after a decade of use. It also consistently earned top safety picks, making it a perfect choice for small families or young professionals who need a reliable daily driver that still looks sharp in the office parking lot. When you're looking for a CX-5 under $20,000, mechanics have one simple tip. Go for the 2.5-liter engine found in the 2014 and 2015 models if you can. The 2013 model had a 2.0-liter that was reliable but a bit slow. The 2.5-liter is the sweet spot for power and longevity. Just check the service history for regular spark plug changes and transmission fluid refreshes, and this Mazda will easily sail past the 200,000-mile mark. The Mazda CX-5 is the hidden gem of the used SUV market. It offers the perfect balance of soul, style, and SkyActiv reliability. It's a reminder that you don't have to settle for a soulless commuter car just because you want something dependable. It's the perfect way to round out our list of the 5 most reliable SUVs you can buy today for less than $20,000.